Good day, respected teacher and classmates. I am Yulieth Valencia Fernandez. I am 33 years old, and in this video I'm going to answer some of the questions that you left in the activity guide, and also I'm going to present my reflection about the process of learning English. So the first question is, what is the purpose of the course? The main purpose of this course is reinforce three competencies: linguistic, sociolinguistic, and pragmatic, through the development of different tasks. The second question is, how many learning outcomes can you find in the syllabus? We can find 4 learning outcomes. The first one is demonstrate oral skills to express fluently about different cultural topics. The second outcome is discuss about controversial issues using pro or con arguments. The third outcome is interpreted extended speech. And the fourth outcome is about describe complex subjects. The question number 3 is, what are the synchronic interaction activities? Those are the activities that refer to connect in online meetings in real time through different web tools that can allow this kind of communication, like Skype, Hangouts, Google Meets, or Zoom, for example. The question number 4 is about how many activities does the courses have. The course is composed by 6 activities or tasks. The first one is about reflecting upon English language awareness. The second one is focused on partaking in 8 weekly mandatory encounters. The third activity is about debating controversial issues. The fourth is speaking part of Cambridge C1 Advanced. And the fifth activity is called a standardized test listening quiz. And the activity number 6 is activity is delivering and in speech through a web conference system. The question number 5. Which activities in the course imply real-time interaction? According to the syllabus, the activities that require real-time interactions are task number 2, that is partaking in 8 weekly mandatory encounters. Task 3, that is debating about controversial issues. Task number 4, speaking part of Cambridge C1 Advanced. And task 6, delivering a speech through a web conference system. In order to finish the first step, so here I'm going to present a summarize with my own words, summarize of the course rules and conditions. The respect is a fundamental part of communication, so it must be present in all the interactions with peers and tutors, as well as accomplished with the netiquette rules. Also, it is important to accomplish with some technical requirements in order to be able to connect to the encounters and update my profile to provide current information about myself, and be sure that my email is working. For last but not less important, it is necessary of face recognition in some activities. I will be agreed to make a photographic record previous to the presentation of the evaluation. The question number 7 is about if my institutional email is working properly. Yes, it is, and I share my email in the writing work. For last, the step number 2 is the reflection upon English language awareness. So for me, learn a language is a journey that opens a door to different cultures and ways to see and understand the world. For the moment, the only English level certification that I have is the Exam Saber Pro. According to this, I have the level B2. but I would like to take also an international exam, valid in other countries. I am studying this career first because I love to learn new languages, also because I like to teach and because it is a way to know other cultures and learn from them. Although the learning of this language started when I was adult, and I also it is easier to learn a language being a child, the motivation is a fundamental part when I learn. I think that it is the most important factor and depend on that the amount of time that you invest in the study of the language. Also because learn a language is an activity that never ends, because the language is in constantly evolution. I can see the learning of a language present in my future in order to be able to communicate with people from different parts of the world and also to be able to transmit that knowledge to my students. In order to be constantly learning, it is necessary to have curiosity about other cultures and start to self-explore and keeps the motivation in order to be successful and arrive to our goal. So thank you so much and have a good day. Until the next opportunity. Bye.